Porno. I think I just made a porno.
Is that all mine? I've got more at home.
Can't be bothered.
And then more at my cousin's house. And then
Take
at
the stupid grin off your face because the duty manager will. Out! You know what the hell you think you will? Because you're the one who's not even doing what you've done.
Yeah, I'll put music back on. Shut up. You did video, it's a joke.
Right, you take turns, everyone come up now.
Why not?
Some are on this, some are not.
Stop.
Do me a little. Stop. Don't dress. This is what we do.
Excuse me, Curtis.
Yeah.
Sam says pen.
Ready? At 3. Where's 3?
Hi!
Do it. Do it. Now, do it now.
Right, so take turns.
Move! Move!
Yeah, don't let anyone catch you though, because Duke comes in, she's gone mental. Seriously. Painting now. Yeah, nice one, you noob.
I was aiming for Curtis!
Yeah, no. Wait, I'll throw some reef. That's a shot! Yella.
Give me. Aiden, move!
No, you back off. I'm not doing right. You did wrong. This is pathetic.
Pony! Aiden, do a little dance on table.
Wait, go like that.
Step burp. What's the word? Step burp. What's the word? Step burp.
Oh shit.
Back off now. You need everyone in this group to be looking. You need everyone to be looking.
My pen!
Turn it that way. Morgan, tell me what we've got to do.
What have you got?
What are you to do? What group are you? Which one's up there?
Okay, we'll go.
Put yourself into a team, because only one girl.
We'll sit back here and do it.
Excuse me, you
Stop.
three kids.
Don't drop, pull me a little.
Put music back on.
Painting your nails, are we? In class, disgraceful. G manager, Major Lee's your underwear.
Right, she was not happy.
Oh my god. Gosh, have you seen my status? It's I haven't got an attitude, you've got a problem with my attitude, and I don't give a flying monkey's left testicle. In other words, shove it.
Yeah, it's 4 minutes now. Lolums. La 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 da da dee da. La la.